20 common verbs in English for daily use. Abandon. Leave. She abandoned her old job. Absorb. Soak up. The sponge absorbed all the water. Abuse. Mistreat. Insult. He was accused of abusing his power. Accompany. Escort. Go with. Can you accompany me to the store? Accomplish. Achieve. Complete. She accomplished her goal of running a marathon. Accuse of. Blame for. Hold responsible for. They accused him of stealing the money. Acknowledge. Admit. Please acknowledge receipt of this email. Adapt to. Adjust to. He had to adapt to the new work environment. Add. Append. Attach. Can you add 2 more cups of flour? Confess. Admit, acknowledge. He finally confessed his mistake. Select. Choose. Please select your preferred option from the menu. Advice. Recommend, suggest. I need some advice on how to study effectively. Afford. Have enough money to pay for. I cannot afford to buy a new car right now. Agree. Concur. We all agreed on the proposed solution. Allow. Permit. The teacher allows us to use calculators on the test. Analyze. Examine. The scientist will analyze the results of the experiment. Announce. Declare. The mayor will announce the new project tomorrow. Anticipate. Expect. I anticipate a successful outcome. Appeal. Plead, request. The charity made an appeal for donations. Designate. Appoint. They will designate a leader for the team.